People took to social media to post their experiences about hearing cars backfire in their neighborhoods. I'm John Brown in Northwest Omaha, and I spoke to one resident who said he's been dealing with this for months. This is the noise Craig Carlson and his neighbors near 168th and Maple have come to dread.
It's gotten progressively worse through the summer and into the fall in the last few months.
It's not car backfiring or gunshots, it's coming from tuned cars. These vehicles have been altered to make these loud pops. Some say it improves performance. Carlson says these noises keep him up constantly.
I have young kids, so ever since my kids were born, I wake up in the middle of the night with loud noises, kind of the dad instinct. And so when kids are revving these engines a mile or two away, they're loud enough that they're waking us up, waking my kids up and my wife.
It's not just West Omaha this is happening in. We scrolled through TikTok and found multiple videos of this happening throughout the city. Carlson reached out to City Council member Amy Melton. She says the best way to restore the quiet is more enforcement, and has been in contact with OPD and the Douglas County Sheriff to collaborate.
In my opinion, this is something where it's probably just a few people. It's just a few cars. I don't think we have that many cars out there that are modified to make this kind of noise. And it's just a few people that are doing this. So I think if we can just kind of get on it, maybe get them stopped and potentially cited.
I talked to Omaha police. They said it's criminal if these drivers are intentionally disturbing the peace. In Northwest Omaha, John Brown, 3 News Now.